Hello guys. So the question for today is, a farmer suffered a wound on the dorsum of his foot. It later went on to involve the subcutaneous tissue and became a discharging ulcer. Microscopy of the discharge shows gram-positive filaments with branching. Identify the organism. So first we'll try to make the diagnosis. The involvement of subcutaneous tissue and the presence of a discharge points towards the diagnosis of mycetoma. Mycetoma shows a triad of manifestations, that is, swelling, multiple discharging sinuses, and granules coming out of those sinuses. Uh, Now, on to the second part of the question. Gram positive filaments are seen in two types of bacteria, that is, nocardia and actinomyces. Here we have only nocardia in the option, so that becomes the answer. We'll rule out other options also. Sporotrichosis, as we know, shows nodular lesions along the lymphatics. Histoplasma causes tuberculosis like illness, and Candida causes infection in the immunocompromised. So these three are also ruled out. So this is the picture of mycetoma. We can see there's a swelling. There are multiple discharging sinuses, and if not in the picture, there will be history of discharge or granules coming out of those sinuses. This, as we have discussed earlier, is sporotrichosis, which shows linear arrangement of nodules along the lymphatics. This is chromoblastomycosis, which shows cauliflower-like warty growth. This is rhinosporidiosis, which shows strawberry-like mass coming out of the nose. Together, these are all subcutaneous fungal infections. So in our question, actinomyces was not in the option, but we should know how to differentiate nocardia and actinomyces, as they both cause mycetoma, that is actinomycetoma. So to remember the differences, we'll remember actinomyces as actinomosis. Why? Because no and mo will help us to remember the differences. No gives that actinomyces is non-acid fast. It requires no O2, that is, it is an anaerobe. From mo we get that it is part of the mouth flora and it produces molar tooth colonies on solid media, which is shown in the figure below. Whereas nocardia is 1% acid fast, it is strict aerobe, and it is not a part of human flora, it is found outside. So this was the question for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow with another question.